Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Christian County, northeastern Sangamon County, Macon County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Auburn, or 19 miles north of Taylorville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Illiopolis and Mount Auburn around 4:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Decatur, Macon, Mount Zion, and Long Creek. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 115 and 144.